Think an electric SUV with premium tech has to cost 50 grand? Think again. This is the 2026 Leapmotor B10, the first fruit of a massive partnership between China's Leapmotor and the giants at Stella NT. It's a compact SUV that's been tuned on Fiat's legendary test tracks in Italy to ensure it drives as good as it looks. With a price tag that undercuts almost every major rival, B10 isn't just a budget, it's a tech-heavy disruptor. Welcome back to DRX AUTOMOBI. Today we're finding out if this is the EV that finally makes gas cars look overpriced. Under the skin, the B10 is more European than you'd expect. Stellantis engineers spent months refining the multi-link rear suspension to handle perfectly on twisty roads. It's powered by a single rear, its motor delivering 218 horsepower, giving it a punchy 0 to 60 time of 8 seconds. For range, you have two options: a 56.2 kilowatt-hours pack for city dwellers, or a 67.1 kilowatt-hours long-range version that delivers 270 miles on the WLTP cycle. And thanks to its 400 volts architecture, you can juice it from 30% to 80% in just 20 minutes at a fast charger. Inside, Leapmotor is flexing its tech muscles. The cabin is dominated by a floating 14.6-inch 2.5K touchscreen powered by a Snapdragon 8155 chip. It's as fast as a modern smartphone, and as of late 2025, finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via OTA updates. You get an 8.8-inch driver display, a 12-speaker surround sound system, and a massive panoramic glass roof with an electric sunshade. The quality is surprising, lots of techno leather and soft touch materials that make this feel far more expensive than its sticker price suggests. But the big news for 2026 is variety. While the pure EV is the star, Leapmotor is launching a range-extended hybrid RE-EV version this year. It uses a small petrol engine solely as a generator, offering over 600 miles of total range for those not ready for the full EV leap currently. The B10 is rolling out across Europe, Australia, and South America. While there's no official US launch date yet, Stellantis' involvement means this tech could eventually find its way into a future Jeep or Chrysler. Leapmotor B10 is proof that the cheap Chinese EV era is over. This is the era of high-value global EVs. Would you choose this over a Tesla Model Y for $15,000 less? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTOMOBI. I'll see you in the next one.